Guys, I can't believe I lived without an air fryer for so long. Ever since I got this Ultrean brand one, it has completely revolutionized the way I cook. Can you imagine being able to make French fries, chicken nuggets, chicken wings, and so many other recipes, but in a way healthier way, with basically no oil? Well, that's possible thanks to this small appliance. You see, the air fryer doesn't actually fry the food. It cooks it by circulating ultra-hot air very quickly all around. This makes the food crispy and golden brown outside but juicy and flavorful inside, as if they were fried, but using 90% less oil. You're going to die when you try the fries or wings that come out of this thing. They turn out so delicious, but the best part is how easy and intuitive it is to use. I just select the recommended temperature and time depending on what I'm cooking, and that's it. It even takes care of tossing the food itself so it cooks evenly. And best of all, it cleans up in no time. Just rinse the basket and you're done. I've made all kinds of things in this air fryer. French fries, chicken nuggets, chicken wings, broccoli, toasts, sandwiches, and even desserts like churros and fritters. And they taste amazing. I only use a few drops of all and the rest is air fried. My meals are now so much lighter and healthier. I fully recommend it for those wanting crispy recipes but in a healthier way. You save time, effort, and most of all, calories. It also works as an oven so you can roast, bake, and even dehydrate fruits. If you're looking for a more practical and lighter way to cook, this Ultrean air fryer is an excellent choice. Don't hesitate to get yours before it sells out. I don't regret this purchase at all. Now I have a small appliance I use daily that allows me to eat well without guilt. Check out the specs and stop below the video to find the link to place your order for the Ultrean air fryer. Don't think about it anymore and get yourself an Ultrean air fryer to eat healthy.